Hello, my name is William Propst, and this is my introductory speech. What do you view a computer as? A tool for work or school, or maybe a vehicle for posting your favorite memes to Facebook? Technology and computers has been an amazing thing, especially in our growing and ever-changing modern society. It's something I use on a everyday basis uh, for what I study in school. Computers have become my main hobby over the last 5+ years and inspired me to pursue a field that I've kind of always wanted to be a part of. And so I'm a computer scientist and a student of computer science. Um, and, so ever since, early middle school, I've been interested in technology. I began learning how to fix electronics by spending hours, watching videos on how to take apart like old phones or iPhones and putting them back together. And I began ordering parts and you know trying to make old phones work again. Sometimes it worked, a lot of times it didn't, but you know it was it's what originally got me interested in kind of the tech field uh, to begin with. After that, I began learning different computer software. I started, making 3D models in a tool called Blender, and then I began learning how to write HTML code and for websites, which I mean, I wasn't ever really good at it, but I was young and tried to make something. as I got as I got older, I became smarter and more creative. And when I got into early high school, I was trying to figure out what I really wanted to do as a career path. I wasn't really sure, so I tested a few things out. And my last year, I decided, hey, I'm gonna take a computer science class and a class for Intro to Robotics, just to like test the waters and to see if I can actually do it and learn it, and maybe it's something I could pursue. In that first year, I struggled a lot. I had trouble understanding key concepts and computer logic that, as we moved further into more complex topics, just confused me. And I felt as if this wasn't the path and that I would have to pursue something else. After high school, I began, I worked and I really dove into my hobby of computers. I ended up building my own computer, and I ended up helping my friends build their computers, and it kind of became a really fun thing to do on the side while I was working and probably taking a skip year off of class. But after a while, I decided to come back, and I made the decision that yeah, I want to try computer science again. Since then, I've become a stronger student. It's helped me with problem solving abilities and math and a lot of things. It's actually changed the way I think for the better, I think. And, I'm hoping to graduate at the end of this year um, with honors. I've really had a really good last couple of years, and it's been great. Again, computers are super important for functioning in a modern world. I mean, and it's become one of the driving forces in my life. With education and entertainment and a future profession that I hope to pursue. Yeah.